Can you create a website without using any sort of CSS? This feels crazy at the first glance, but let's see how far raw HTML can go. So we don't need the CSS file. And yes, I'm using CodePen because I actually don't know. So we are using something called the endangered element. So it's my term for referring to depreciated HTML tags. And we don't need this title. And this makes a lot of sense. I am also using some Semitic HTML code like this one. Now one of the depreciated code is the font, which we use the face and the size and the color. And it actually works. As you can see here, we have a red text in the font area. This might not seem that it's like it has some sort of CSS, it's just plain HTML. And this block right here feels that it used any sort of CSS or JavaScript at all. You might wonder what the hell is going on without any sort of CSS here. If we take a closer look, we are using some tables, and these tables form the main layout of the CSS. Like, it's not CSS, but it feels like it's using some sort of CSS. Most of the things we are using here is depreciated HTML, such as font, marquee, etc. And these tables don't magically do anything. We have to create a layout.